We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna.
Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Julie and I'm a German-speaking flight attendant for one of the major airlines in the United States. As I just said, I'm German-speaking, which means I predominantly fly to either Germany or Switzerland. However, if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I pick up a lot of trips to other destinations. But today is actually not one of those. Today I'm taking you with me to Berlin, Germany. So the last time that I was here was actually back in December and I got to see the Christmas market, and I haven't been here since. So I'm really excited. It's the summer, so it's really hot outside, but I actually want to go ahead and show you some of the beautiful landmarks here in Berlin. So if you guys have never been, or even if you have been and you just want to check out my layover, I suggest you guys stick around and come and tour Berlin with me. I want to take you to the first stop, which is the Brandenburger Tor. In English, Brandenburg Gate. And just in case you're wondering where we are actually at a very famous boulevard. It's called Unter den Linden, and this boulevard got its name because, as you can see, the boulevard is lined with linden trees left and right. And if you happen to get hungry or thirsty, there are actually a lot of kiosks where you can buy snacks and drinks. And in the winter time, they have Glühwein stands. If you don't know what Glühwein is, it's actually the hot wine that we drink during Christmas markets. So anyways, we are here now at the Brandenburger Tor. And most of you probably know that this is where Ronald Reagan held a speech in 1987 calling on Soviet leader Gorbachev to open this gate and tear down this wall. Being that the Brandenburger Tor sits in the heart of Berlin, it makes it really easy to get to some of the other sites we're seeing. For example, the Holocaust Memorial is close by, as well as the Reichstag building, which is the German parliament, just to name a few. Next, we're heading towards the Victory Column. The column is actually 220 feet tall and you can go inside, but only if you have cash, and I forgot my cash, so I will not be going in there today. Bummer, but maybe next time. Interesting, so there's a tunnel to the Victory Column. Unfortunately, I don't know what the history behind this is, so if you guys want to find out, I suggest Google it, as my kids tell me always, Mom, just Google it. So I'm going to pass this on to you guys and Google it. And if you find out, you can let me know in the comments below. So I'm currently in the Tiergarten, which is Germany's largest garden, and it spans over 520 acres. And we are headed towards Haus der Kulturen der Welt.
Eu disse a filha como é que vai ser. Ela disse não sei o que fazer. Vem pra cá. Bota ela no avião, que eu durmo no chão. Fica calma, não tem pressa. Tudo vai se resolver. Quando eu vi no aeroporto.
And straight ahead is the German Reichstag building, which means we made a huge circle because we are very close to the Brandenburger Tor where we started at today. If you guys get hungry, there's actually this cute restaurant that I found that's right next to the Brandenburger Tor. Straight ahead is the Berliner Mall, but I'm not going to take you through there because I have one more stop that I want to make, which is Charlie's checkpoint. So we're going to be headed towards that way.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no,
Not sure if you guys can see it, but straight ahead is Checkpoint Charlie. And for those of you who are not familiar with Checkpoint Charlie, it was the best known Berlin Wall crossing point between East Berlin and West Berlin during the Cold War.
Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead, well not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do.
And this concludes my layover here in Berlin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of it. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button. And of course, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure that you guys do that so you guys can come with me on my very next layover. And until then, I'm gonna say tschüss, bis bald und auf Wiedersehen.
Together